Adelusi Adeniyi, MD Soclean Cam Cleaning Services. Welcome to my cleanliness and awareness series. Today I want us to look into this scenario I come across on social media. So as you all know, this platform is all about, creating an awareness and also educating ourselves. Okay. I stumbled on this video about a guy that the video is asking a very significant question. It's how to do with service. So he has a question, that is put out there that I think I want us to also talk about here. The question is, which is more important as a service provider? Is it the tools or the labor, the staff? It's very possible that you might have a very good tools and not have a good staff. And there's also possible that you have good staff and not have good tools. So as a service provider, which of these two should you pay more attention to? Is it about acquiring certificated tools or having a good staff, well-trained staff? So I'm bringing this conversation here. If you are a service provider, please, I need you to watch this video and share your opinion about this topic. As a service provider, which is more important to you? Is it the tools or your staff? Please, I need us to be more, direct, have it at the back of our mind that we are trying to educate ourselves here. This is not all about what I feel or what you feel. At the end of it all, we will all have to balance it. Okay? So thank you for watching and see you next time.